Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're now taking a look at the budget kind of motorcycle jacket that I bought. You can see the name here, I'm not sure. Fashion First Cafe Racer motorcycle jacket. I have taken it out. Initial impressions are definitely that the jacket itself is more style orientated than safety orientated, I would say. It is pure leather, it is genuine leather, so that it does have that going for it, and if you do fall off it will protect you from the slides somewhat, but there's not really too much protection. There's kind of this extra fabric here on the arms and elbows, but regards proper protection, there's not too much. So I don't think I would be recommending this too highly. I'll probably have to do another motorcycle jacket because I'm not particularly happy with this one. Like I said, I'm not going to recommend something that I wouldn't really wear myself. I would wear it. It's not bad. It's definitely a little summer jacket. It looks really cool, like the retro look. Obviously goes with our retro bikes. But regards the actual feel, like feel wise, it's quality. The leather is there. Inside, you can open it up, you can see, oopsies, sorry for whacking the camera there, there's a few pockets inside and stuff. But if I was to, I have my own leather jacket which did cost me about 5 times the cost of this one. In fairness, this one's about 50 euros, 60 euros. I probably would spend a bit more on a motorcycle jacket, so I might leave a link down below to this one. If you're doing just simple little ride-alongs on your Honda 50 or something small, this is going to be better than nothing. But if you're going to be everyday riding, commuting, I'd probably want to get something more substantial than this one. I'll put in a few shots of me wearing it now, maybe getting on the bike, seeing what it looks like with the helmet and gloves. But apart from that, that's the front there, the arms. I'll turn it around so you can see the back. You can see the back there. And it's not bad quality. The quality is good, like I said again, but would I recommend it? Would I put my life on it? Probably not. So I will leave a link to this if you do want to buy it. It's not a bad jacket. It's pretty cool looking. I do like the look of it if you're more style orientated, but I'll leave a link down below to probably a more expensive jacket I would recommend and I will buy and probably get in the next review of a jacket that we do. But apart from that, that's been this video. So links to this and another jacket will be in the description if you do want to buy one. As well as if you did like the video, please do leave a like, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.